Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a nice unveiling of my daily driver for you guys. So down in the comments below, why don't you go ahead and give a quick guess to what the car is that you think I drive on a daily basis. 3, 2, 1, and here it is, guys. It is a Saturn SL2 from the year 2002. We're going to do a quick walk around so you guys can see what this vehicle looks like right now, and we'll talk about some of the things that need to be done with the vehicle. So as we come over to the driver's side, you can already see that the hood is kind of bent up. I was recently in a collision where the hood ended up getting bent, and so we're going to end up replacing this hood anyways, or having to, in order to make it look nice again. Continuing on, most of the paint work is pretty dull or like chipping or just bad in general. So because this is such an old car and there doesn't need to be, there's no value in repainting the car, we'll probably end up just quick touches up here and there and calling it good. But I figured, why not? It's my daily driver, I might as well make it look somewhat nice. Coming to the back half of the car here, we can tell that the back bumper cover is faded and has been in accidents, and it looks horrible. So we're probably going to be ending up pulling that off and putting a new one on in order to cover up all this crap that's already bad with it. Continuing onward, we're going to come over here to the passenger side, and yeah, I've had this car since I crashed my red Saturn. That was a 1997 Saturn SC2, and from there I needed a new vehicle, and this car was cheap enough and was ready to be picked up pretty much the day of. And rather than fixing my red Saturn at the time, which I had no know-how to do, I decided that I was just going to buy a new car. So the front bumper cover here has a crack down the left-hand side, right next to the light housings here. And that crack actually goes all the way down to the bottom of the bumper. I already attempted to fix that once, but I was at the junkyard and I found a new bumper cover, and so I'm just going to replace the whole front bumper cover as well. So technically a bumper-to-bumper replacement for this car is what's happening. Give you guys a quick showing of the inside of the car. There we go. And you can kind of see that it's actually a pretty clean interior for the car. And nothing much has to be done inside other than a nice dusting and cleaning of the windows and carpets and stuff. So, this car I've got at 130,000 miles, and it now has 172,000 miles. So it's been driven a lot in the few years I've had it, and I really enjoy it. So now I'm going to be making it look decent for everyone to see. So thanks for showing up to the channel, guys. Go ahead and hit this like button, or the like button if you liked this video. If not, then go ahead and hit the dislike button. Consider subscribing if you want to see working on the Saturn. Also, I would consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon if you want to see the Making America Great Again videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Great.